Before you press the shutter, ask yourself this. Can I explain what this photo is about in one sentence? Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower and inspire your photography, one 60-second tip at a time. If you're not clear on what the subject is, your viewer won't be either. And that's usually when photos start to feel busy, confusing or flat. So here's one powerful tool you can use straight away: depth. Depth is all about separation. It helps your subject stand out from the background so the eye knows exactly where to go. Using a wide aperture like f2.8 or f1.4 keeps your subject sharp while the background falls away into a nice soft blur. That's why it works so well for portraits. Your attention goes straight to the eyes, the expression, the connection. But this isn't just for portraits. Give it a try with street details, food, flowers or textures, or any time you want to remove distractions and prioritize your subject. And remember, depth isn't just about aperture. Moving closer to your subject or increasing the distance between subject and background also has an effect. And think in simple layers: foreground, middle and background. That adds depth and context without stealing attention from what matters most. For more practical checks to help you create strong, clear photos before you even press the shutter, watch episode 4 of my Ultimate Checklist series here. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.